Hi everyone and welcome to this new video about Matomo Analytics. In today's session we're going to talk about a premium feature called multi-channel conversion attribution. So what does it consist in? So the definition of attribution is the following one. That's the possibility for you to see how many different channels have been used before a given conversion in Matomo Analytics. So let's see that into practice. Okay, so here we have a multi-channel conversion attribution report. Just to let you know that once this premium feature is installed, there are two possible places on which you could find it. So it's either under the e-commerce report category down here, if you have, of course, the e-commerce enabled, or within the goals report up here. There's nothing to do once the premium feature is installed and activated. You will get actually already this report, and then you will start to collect some data. So here is how it looks like. So you have the given goal, which is listed here. You have the possibility after to change the number of days prior to conversion that you would like to study. And here you have your report according to the default attribution modeling selected, which is the last interaction one, and you have the possibility to compare it with another model. So for example, here this given report is listing all the different channels which are indicated as the last interaction of the user before purchase. So let's say that by default Matomo is predicting this given channel for the conversion, but it may happen that any of those channels may, in fact, if we consider another attribution model, be considered totally differently. And this is what we're going to do right now. We're just going to add another model and just say, okay, if we were considering what are the first touch point of the marketing channels to the website, so let's say which channel is responsible for making the website known, then we will see that we have some slight differences here. And here, for example, some marketing channel that you may not have identified as important may be more important than what you would have suspected thanks to the last interaction model. Let's take one given example. Let's imagine that you have a newsletter, and here I'm kind of lucky because I have a newsletter. I may have thought that actually people are purchasing straight away when they are receiving the newsletter, and what I can see here is that under the first interaction model, people are less converting than using the last interaction model. So here it's kind of interesting to see that it seems that people, at least for this website, tend to come back thanks to the newsletter and purchase more than just receiving the newsletter straight away. And that's it for the premium feature dealing with the white labeling. So what's next? We strongly advise you actually to install this premium feature and have a look at the data which is sent actually to your report, and look if there is something suspicious or something that you would not have guessed if you would not have looked at this report carefully. Thanks for watching this video, and we really hope to see you again.